Step 1. Park on level ground and set the emergency brake. Step 2. Chock the rear wheels. 3. Position a jack under the lift point and raise the car. Step 4. With a 19mm socket, remove the lug nuts. Step 5. Remove the wheel. Step 6. With a 17mm socket or wrench, remove the caliper bolts. Step 7. Remove the caliper away from the rotor and bracket. Step 8. Remove the old brake pads. I check the rotor for grooves and opt to reuse it because there is no vibration when braking. Step 9. Clean out the brake caliper hardware so that the new brake pads can move freely. Step 10. Press the caliper back to the starting point. If you don't have the special tool, a large C-clamp will work. Just be careful not to damage the caliper. I'd like to thank Advance Auto Parts for a great deal on these silver pads. Step 11. Lubricate your metal-to-metal contacts, being careful not to get any on the friction material, and install your new brake pads. This will help reduce vibrations, eliminating brake squeal. Step 12. Lubricate the end of the caliper piston as well as the tabs of the caliper. This will further help reduce vibration and help eliminate noisy brakes. rear caliper slide pins have plenty of lube on them so that they slide freely when you install it. Step 13. Install the caliper back over the new brake pads and bolt onto the bracket. Step 14. Put the wheel back on the car. Step 15. Torque down the lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds. If you don't have a torque wrench, a few ugga-duggas with your impact gun should work. Just don't make them too tight, because remember, if you get a flat, somebody's going to have to take that off by hand on the side of the highway. The 16th and final step is to pump the brake pedal until it feels solid. Then you'll want to give the car a few stops from 25 miles an hour to 0 as you're easing onto the brakes so that you seat the brake pads. Our car needed tires, so we headed to our local tire discounters, where they have some great deals on brand new tires. If your car needs new tires, we recommend visiting your local tire discounter store today. Don't forget to tell them who sent you. If you like this video, please subscribe.